Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Get ready for new and outstanding ideas. Today's video we have made especially for your kids. Dear viewers, we will share creative and inspiring tips for your crocheting ideas. Today's video is all about baby mobile hangers. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crocheting ideas. If you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon. Don't forget to share and like the video. Creating a crochet baby mobile hanger offers a variety of benefits. Here are some advantages which we would like to discuss with you. The first and the main one is personalization. Tailored design to match the nursery theme or colors. Handmade quality. Provides a unique crafted item that stands out from store-bought options. Creative expressions. Encourages creativity through different patterns and colors. Bonding experience. Can be a special project shared with family or friends. Safe materials. Choose organic or hypoallergenic yarn for safety. Claiming effort. Soft colors and shapes can create a soothing atmosphere. Developmental aid. Engaged baby visual and promotes sensory development. Stress relief. Crocheting is a calming activity that can reduce anxiety, especially baby mobile hangers. Skill enhancement. Improves crocheting skills and introduced new techniques. Cultural heritage. Incorporates traditional crochet techniques and design. Eco-friendly. Use of sustainable materials reduce environmental impact. Educational opportunity. Can introduce children to colors, shape and patterns. Versatility. Can be adapted for various themes such as animals, nature or stars. Functional decor. Serves as both decoration and a mobile to entertain the baby. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. So keep in touch with our channel. Thank you for watching.